This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Hyundai Construction Equipment. Check out Hyundai's new HT38 track loader and limited time special offers, including the largest cash rebates ever, up to $45,000 off heavy equipment and $10,000 off compact equipment. Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Friday, October 31st. Our first story is from Frank Raison on Ram's parent company Stellantis and their commitment to serving fleet customers. An updated engine, a new line of transmissions, and telematics all demonstrate their focus on fleet. Next, Caterpillar reports a 10% increase in sales in Q3 compared to 2024. Watch the full video report online as CFO Andrew Bamford discusses contributing factors like strong demand and infrastructure spending. And congratulations to JCB and all they have to celebrate this week. 80 years in business and the 80th birthday of their chairman, Lord Bamford. Check out the full details online. And that's it for this week with the Weekly Iron. Have a happy weekend, happy Halloween, and we'll catch you next week.